Alright, so welcome to this tutorial. In this particular one, I'm going to be walking you through on how to create your PayPal account. Now, I'm going to be as slow and detailed as possible because you need to follow simple instruction while doing this. If you miss instructions, you're going to run into problems, so you don't want to run into problems, please. Okay, so just follow everything I'm going to be telling you one step at a time. Now, before you begin at all, you want to get the following details ready. Number one, you want to get your region. Now, if you go back to our earlier videos, I already told you how to get your region, how to get your city in the UK, of course. Remember when we were using our VPN to do that? So I want to, and I told you then that you should make sure you write all of those details down somewhere. So make sure that before you start this process, make sure you get your UK details handy. Number one, you must get your region. Of course, your region should be England. You must get your city. I remember then I told you that everybody is not going to be having the same city, of course. So make sure you get your city down. Then make sure you know your zip code. I told you about that already. Make sure you get your zip code handy. You don't want to be moving around while you're doing this, okay? Make sure you get it in front of you. Then your UK address. Make sure you also get that in front of you. Your state, okay? So for example, if Rockdale is my own city, I want to make sure that I go to Google and search for the state. In case you don't know the state of your city, make sure you get the state. Also, if you can Google that, you will get it right. There is no issue about that. Then the next thing you want to make sure you have handy is your Gray account. The last video I already told you how to open your Gray account. Now, if you have opened your Gray account, you want to make sure that you get the exact name that you use in opening your Gray account. Exact name that you use in opening your Gray account, because you want to make sure that your Gray account name, your PayPal account name, and your Swagbucks account name, they are the same. Okay, so you want to make sure you get all of that ready. So once you get that ready, the next thing we are going to do right now is that we're going to log into Swagbucks. Okay, so to log into Swagbucks, remember all the things I told you about that you must cross-check before you open your Swagbucks. So the first thing you want to check, you go to your settings, you want to come to your app and notification. Then I want to come to permission manager. The whole idea is I want to make sure that none of my apps is showing my location. Okay, so I'm going to go to location. So you can see here that I'm good on this. No location is open to anybody or any app, so I'm cleared on that. I'm going to close that. Then the next thing I'm going to check out for is to make sure that, remember I told you that for Swagbucks you must have a dedicated browser, and this browser you don't want to be using it to do other things. This browser should only be for Swagbucks surveys, nothing more. In fact, after you're done with Swagbucks, if I were you, I will remove the browser from making it my primary or my default browser, because I don't want to do any other thing on it. Hope you're getting that, because some of you will start complaining that your account is banned, this and that, and these are the things that will make that happen. Like I told you, for some of you that have been contacting me, you can see that there are a lot of little details. If you don't follow these details, I will not even be able to trace where your problem lies. Okay, so I want to go back to my settings again. Then I want to go back to my apps and notification. Then I want to come to default app, and I want to be sure, as you can see, browser, you can see that my Firefox is my default browser now, because I want to go and open Swagbucks. Okay, normally I use Chrome, but you can see now that I have removed Chrome from my default browser. Once I'm done with Swagbucks, I will come back and make Chrome my default browser. That is how it's going to be. So I hope you understand that. So now that I know that all of those details are, I'm good on that, then I can now go and look for my, okay, the next thing I want to do now is that I want to go to my Mysterium app, of course, VPN, and I'm going to make sure that I switch it on. Of course, I want to be sure that I am in the United Kingdom, right? Okay, once I see that I am in the United Kingdom, I'm just going to switch it on and wait for it to connect. All right, so you can see now that I am connected to the United Kingdom. So once I'm connected to the United Kingdom, all I need to do is now to come back, and then I can now go to my Firefox, and then I'm going to open it. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to use my email. All right, so I'm going to put in my email again. Remember, it's the same email I used in opening my Swagbucks from the beginning. So I'm going to just sign in. All right, so here I am in my Firefox. So what I want to do now right now is I want to go to swagbucks.com. Okay, .com. All right, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so I'm going to sign in with my name. I mean my email account or email address, and then my password. And then I'm going to sign in. Okay, so here I am in Swagbucks. So what I want to do right now is that I want to put in some information in my Swagbucks. So I'm going to come to this drop down arrow here. I'm going to just tap on it. Then I'm going to come to settings here. Okay, so I want to make sure that I'm in settings, tab here, not performance, not preference. Okay, I'm in settings tab. So what I want to do here is that this account information, and you can see here full name. So I'm going to click on the edit button. Now I'm going to type in my name. Now this name that I want to type must be consistent with both the PayPal account that I want to create and my Gray account. Okay, so I want to make sure I do that here. So let me use this name. Make sure you do that also. All right, so this is my name, and then here I'm asked to put in my current password. Okay, I don't really want to change password. I don't think that is an issue. All right, so I want to come to address again here. So I'm going to click on the address. And again here, I want to make sure that the address I'm using here is the address that I used while I was generating my UK address. Remember what I told you. I'm sure by now you already have that address somewhere written down. Okay, so it's not your Nigerian address, it is the UK address that you generated some times ago. So I'm going to come in here and put it in. My city, okay, so I'm going to put in my state. Of course, my state is in England, United Kingdom. Okay, so you can see what I've done here. So I want to make sure that this is very consistent. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm just going to save this. Okay, so you can see that my address has now been saved, and also here I'm going to make sure I save this. So now that we have done this one successfully, the next thing we want to do now is to go and open our PayPal account. Okay, now since our VPN is already on, I will go ahead and open a UK PayPal with our VPN still working, even though we can still create a working PayPal without VPN, but I think we should go with the VPN. It's also good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come here and I'm going to open a new tab. Remember what I told you, make sure that all of those information I told you about, you already got them ready before you start this process. Okay, so I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to type in paypal.com. all right, so as you can see here, if you check this URL, you see that this is UK PayPal. Okay, so that means we are good to go. So I'm going to click on sign up for a business account. I don't want this. I'm just going to come here and click sign up. Okay, so here it's asking for my first name. Remember, I'm going to use the name exactly as it is on my Gray account. All right, so here it's asking for my phone number. So again, I'm going to use my UK phone number. Remember, so I believe that you already have your own phone number here. Okay, so I'm going to do that for my own. Okay, so I'm going to carefully type in my phone number. Okay, so I'm going to leave the code the way it is. Okay, so it's asking for my email address. Of course, I'm going to use the same email address. Okay, so make sure that it's the same email address you're using for this process. So you're going to create your password. Make sure that your password has between 8 to 20 characters, upper and lowercase letters, at least one number or one symbol. Okay, so I'm going to do that. All right, so you can see, okay, you agree. So I'm just going to agree to all the payment, all the terms, and then I'm going to click agree and create account. So here they say activate your account to start using PayPal. I will guide you on every step of the way. Okay, so just say let's go. All right, so here they're saying, so I'm going to come here and click individual seller. Okay, business type, I'm still going to leave it at individual, and then I'm going to continue. Okay, so here they're asking for my date of birth. Of course, like we said, you want to make sure that all your details are consistent. What's your nationality? Of course, it has chosen United Kingdom, so we're going to leave that there. So here it's asking for our address. Again, you want to make sure that you put in your UK address. It's asking for our town or our city. Okay, so I'm going to put in my city. Make sure you use the right one for yourself also. So it's asking for my county. I don't think that is important. Okay. For my county, I think I'm in Greater Manchester. All of these ones, I'll make sure that I check them before I started this process. Okay. So for my postcode, again, I'm sure you already have your postcode. So I'm going to add in my own postcode. Okay, so you can see that is correct. Then once I do that, I'm going to continue. Okay, tell us about your business, blah, blah, blah. What your customer know you buy and shop. Okay, so here, okay, I'll just come here and say use full legal name. So you can see that once I tick this box, you can see that everything has automatically chosen for me here. So I'm okay with the name. I'm okay with the primary currency. What do you sell or what service do you offer? So I'll just come here and look for something related. Remember that in our Gray we said we are freelancers. Okay, so I'm just going to look for something that is close. Okay, I will just go for this. What are your monthly sales? If you don't know exactly, just enter your best guess. Okay, I'll just do 0. I'll do something very small. Make sure you choose something very small. You don't want to choose something too big. Do you have a business website? No. This can't be a PO box. Okay, so I'm asked to, okay, so I'll just use my residential address. I already filled it. You can see it has filled it for me again. So I'll just continue. Okay, so here they want to confirm if it is me, so they are going to send a text to this mobile number. Of course, I'll be able to receive it, so I'm okay with that. I'm just going to click on, okay, I untick this. I don't just want my phone to remember any of these details, so I'm just going to click on next. Okay, we've sent a security code to this number, so I'll quickly go to my VIC now. Here is my VIC. Okay, let's see if we have any SMS. Okay, so I have an SMS here. Okay, so let me check it. All right, so you can see my PayPal here. Okay, so it's given that is this, you can see it there, 724142. Okay, so I will go back to PayPal and put it in here. Okay, I'm just going to, let's try it, 724142. Submit. Okay, you're all ready. Just a second, let's see how it goes. Okay, so here they said okay, so our account has now been created. All right, so what we're going to do now is that in the next video I'm going to show you how to link this PayPal to your Gray account. So make sure you understand this, make sure you follow everything step by step and don't make any error while creating your PayPal account. So I'm going to see you in the next video.